how to use Wix AI Portfolio Creator. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the AI Portfolio Creator within your Wix website. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the setup or the home page, and we're going to open up our website by clicking on Edit Site. Once we have opened our website, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to click on Add Apps. Now within Add Apps, we're going to search for the Wix Portfolio, and we're going to have the app right there. So we're going to install the app if not installed, and if installed we're going to open it. It is not going to take a lot of time to be installed, and here you go. Now we're going to give it a little bit of time to be right there, and here you go. Now I am going to head over here, so we're going to be on this place. So I'm going to click on Manage Project, and you're going to find all the projects right there. So as you can see, it took us to the specific website, let's say dashboard. So now what I am going to do is to select the type of work that I want to add. As you can see, it is going to set up or create a portfolio with AI. As you can see, we have seasonal fruits or organic vegetables, dairy product, beverage selection, bakery. I'm going to select other, and I'm going to have an explanation of my portfolio. For example, let's say graphic designer. Click on next. Then you can upload your images from here, or you can go ahead and upload from Wix Media to give it an idea on what you do. And I think that we're going to head over design, for example, and we are going to give it some photos. Here, this is one. I'm going to add a photo like this, and it is going to generate our project. It is going to analyze the project or the image. As you can see, it gave the project a title and also a description, and you can go ahead and click on create the portfolio. This is how you create the portfolio. It is only going to generate a title and a description for it. You can go ahead and find it. It is not going to generate a portfolio for you, so you can go ahead and share it, but it is going to give you a description and a title. These titles are going to be SEO friendly. Also for the description also is going to be the same thing. Make sure that you're going to add your cover and everything. Click on save and close. You're going to find for here your portfolio just added right there. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.